Cast me down where the devil don't go. Devil don't go where I make my home. Cast me down where the devil don't go. Devil don't go where I make my home.
Hello and welcome to the Nautilus Marine Great Australian Poker Run, raising funds and supporting thousands of Australians who live daily with multiple sclerosis. My name's Gavin Robertson and I'm about to tell you not only how much fun a poker run is, but also and more importantly, how you can get involved. Poker runs are one of the great fundraising events that I've ever seen in this country today. The Nautilus Marine Great Australian Poker Run has held these events all over Australia, but never before in Sydney Harbour. And let's face it, Sydney Harbour is the jewel in our waterways crown. Your boat is the jewel in your crown. And here we are, bringing you the jewel in the Crown Poker Run, while helping Aussies who live with multiple sclerosis.
A poker run is a moving game of poker, and Sydney Harbour is the poker table. The Nautilus Marine Great Australian Poker Run invite you to a full day of fun, fundraising, boating, eating, and genuine first-class entertainment, all wrapped around a poker run. Starting at the newly updated Delbourne Marina the Spit for your crew's very first card. At around 8 a.m, as you enter your own private marina berth, the Poker Run team will deliver delicious breakfast to your boat. At 10 a.m, in a carefully choreographed and coordinated departure, crews will set sail in single file. In Sydney Harbour's first ever fundraising flotilla, crews will follow one of Australia's most prestigious and luxurious super cruises, Oscar II, en route for your second card at Fort Denison. Card pickups are made extremely easy while bringing a unique adventure element to your cruise day out on the amazing Sydney Harbour. Led by Oscar II, crews follow a fantastic journey over to Shark Island for card number 3, and then it's off to the open ocean for card number 4, just off the amazing Bondi Beach. While at sea, prepare your guests for some spectacular and completely secret entertainment that you've never seen before. Prepare to be wowed. While crews will have 4 cards in their hand, with only 1 to go, this adventure will have only just begun. By around 3 p.m, crews carefully bring the flotilla back to Delbourne Marina the Spit for the really exciting fun to begin. The Nautilus Marine Great Australian Poker Run will transform the already beautiful Delbourne Marina into Australia's first ever aquatic ballroom. It's here that your crew's 5th and final poker card will be dealt. Raft your boat up, relax while we take care of you. Prepare for the unexpected as we bring the show to you and your boat with live entertainment on the marina, truly unique catering and cocktails delivered to your boat. This is the most amazing fundraising event you've ever seen. Play out the most exciting game of poker ever to hit the shores of Sydney Harbour.
So that is the poker run, and it doesn't end there. We're going to take you on a journey both on and off the water. Funds raised go to support people living with multiple sclerosis. Every day is a gamble for people living with this cruel and unpredictable disease. One day they could wake up feeling flush, and the next they could have no eyesight or be unable to move their legs. They never know what hand they'll be dealt. But when the chips are down, the MS organisation is there for them, with their support, services and research. So you're invited to bring your boat, bring your friends and take part in Sydney Harbour's first ever poker run. Numbers are limited, so register your interest at www.greatpokerrun.com. And remember, competition will be fierce as each team goes bow to bow to take out the title of highest fundraiser.
Devil don't go where I make my home.